If you are up to 25 years old, don't scroll. Watch this video to the end. Okay? Now, today we are going to be talking about anti-aging skincare routine. There is something called collagen in the human body. Now, collagen is a protein that is naturally produced by your skin. But as time goes on, as you age, once you are up to 25 years old, your skin starts losing 1% of every collagen produced. Your skin starts losing 1% of every collagen produced. This is where you start noticing saggy skin. Your skin will start losing its elasticity. Your skin will no longer look firm. Your skin will start looking drier. All these things are signs of aging. So what do you do in this situation? Do you just abandon your skin like that? No. What do? You start incorporating products or ingredients that are going to help boost collagen. Now, I have a video where I talked about baby products. Okay, if you are this kind of person that is so fond of using baby products, maybe when you are in your 20s, in your early 20s, you are using baby products, please, if you know that you have clocked 25, kindly stop using baby products on your skin. I'm going to tell you why. Now, baby products are designed for the skin of babies, for the skin of teenagers. What do I mean? The skin of teenagers, the skin of babies still produce enough collagen. So when formulating their products, you necessarily do not need to start incorporating ingredients that are going to boost collagen. Boost what collagen exactly? Because their skin already is producing enough collagen. But you that is already 25 years downwards, your skin is losing collagen. So that is why we have skincare for adults. These products have been designed to boost collagen. This is where you start seeing products that contain retinol, that contain vitamin C, that contain collagen, polypeptides. All these things are ingredients that help boost collagen. If you are someone who loves your skincare routines as simple as possible, what are you going to do? The two major ingredients you must have are vitamin C and retinol. Yes. Now, let us start from your face wash. If you are starting off a skincare routine for an aged skin, now, of course, you're going to choose your face wash according to your skin type. We have the oily, the dry, the normal, the combination. All these are skin types, right? So you're going to make sure that your face wash is moisturizing, hydrating enough. If you are the kind of person that loves treatments in your face washes, incorporate them, but make sure that you have something hydrating by the side. Okay, you use the treatment face washes on few days, then in most days in the week you use your hydrating face wash. Then your toner, the same thing still applies. Your toner simply helps to balance your skin's pH. I have a lot of videos on face washes, on toners, so if you're confused, just check. You're going to see a lot of videos on that. Let's now come over to your serums. When it comes to your serums, okay, remember I said you must have vitamin C. Vitamin C is that skincare ingredient that helps to boost collagen. It helps to fight environmental aggressors. It even helps to boost the effectiveness of your sunscreen. Yes, collagen has that ability. So you are going to be needing a vitamin C serum. I'm going to be attaching pictures of vitamin C serums you can always try. We have the one from La Roche-Posay. We have the one from Balance Active. We have the one from, there are a lot of vitamin C's. I'm going to be attaching some pictures, okay, so that you can make your choice. So you're going to be using this vitamin C in the morning on a dry skin, okay? Then at night, you get yourself a retinol serum. Now, an example is the retinol serum from Face Facts. We have the retinol serum from Advanced Clinicals. There are a lot of brands that have retinol serums. Now, what retinol does is that retinol helps to boost collagen. It helps with skin cell renewal. It helps to brighten up your skin. It helps with rough, textured skin. Collagen helps with a lot. And if you even have an acne prone skin, retinol is also going to help you. I'm not yet up to 25, but I have retinol in my routine. Why? Because I have an acne prone skin. You see, so retinol helps with acne scars as well. So retinol is a must if you want to boost collagen. You want extra, okay? You are not this kind of person that just does the simple. No, you want to include extra products. Now you can decide to include collagen serums. We have collagen serums. We have the one from Face Fact, the Face Fact Collagen Q10 serum. Very soon I'm going to be reviewing it. Now I have reviewed the Face Fact retinol serum. In case you want to see a video of that, I'm going to link that in the description box. And I even have a detailed video on how to use retinols. Okay, now before I forget, in the retinoid family, we have the retinol, we have the retinol, we have the adapalene, and we have the tretinoin. If you are a beginner, please start with retinol. I know why I'm saying this. Start with retinol so that you can build your skin's tolerance level, so that you won't jump to tretinoin and then regret using retinoids in the first place. Please start with retinol. I'm still using retinol. I've not even moved to retinol. So if you're a beginner, start with retinol to be on a safer side, okay? But if you're not a beginner and you want to, maybe you've been using adapalene or retinol and you want to start off with tretinoin, please, tretinoin comes in different percentages, not just tretinoins, even retinols, retinol. So if you want to use a tretinoin, please start with the lowest percentage. This is also to help your skin tolerate it better. Now, why I'm saying this is because tretinoin is the strongest. It is the most concentrated in the retinoid family. Using tretinoin is likely going to come with a lot of skin purging. It is likely going to come with a lot of killing of the skin. So you have to be very, very careful. This is that one ingredient I am so scared to use on my skin. Honestly, I'm so scared of tretinoin. So please, if you want to use it, be very, very careful. If possible, let an expert be aware for proper guidance. Okay? So let's move to peptides. Now, what does peptides do? Peptides helps with firming of the skin. It helps to give you that bounce. It helps to strengthen your skin barrier. This is what peptides do for you. Now, an example is the one from the Face Fact. We have the Face Fact polypeptide serum. Okay, there are still other brands that have this. I'm going to attach pictures on the screen. Now, there is this other one from the Ordinary. Now, people call this a Botox in a bottle. Now, what Botox helps with is firm the skin, all right? Make sure that you have that younger, supple, bouncy looking skin. This is what Botox do for you. But if you do not have the money to get yourself a Botox treatment, what do? Please get these two serums on the screen from the Ordinary. One is called the Agerilene. I don't know how to pronounce those words. Please, I'm going to attach pictures on the screen and I will write out the spellings for you. Okay, what this is going to do for you is that it is going to give your skin a younger looking skin. Now, I want you to also note that don't start expecting results from bottle one and bottle two. No, this is something you are going to use for some time before you start noticing results. Remember, if it's not Botox, it is not Botox. Okay, but you can achieve that Botox effect with it. Just that it is going to take time. It is going to what? Take time. So you have to be patient with it. Except you have the funds to do the direct one, that is the Botox treatment itself, then good and fine. But you do not have the money, get these two serums on the screen, then you now have to be patient. You have to use and use and use before you start seeing that effect. Please, I just decided to point it out. All right. Now, the next in your routine, of course, is your moisturizer. Now, personally, I love my moisturizers to be very, very simple because why not? After using all these treatments, there is actually no point still using a moisturizer that contains treatments. You see it? So I love my moisturizers hydrating, moisturizing just so as to calm my skin from all the treatments I've been doing. Okay. But if you've not been doing any treatments, maybe your serum is a hyaluronic acid serum, you can decide to use a face cream that contains retinol. Yes, do you get now? So it all depends on where you want your treatment to be in. But like I said earlier, I prefer my treatment in serums than my moisturizers to be a moisturizer. That's it. Now there are a lot of moisturizers you can always go for. When choosing your moisturizer, of course, it is going to be according to your skin type, of course. So if you have a dry skin, of course, a moisturizer is going to be thick, and if possible as well, let it have some oils in it in order to help moisturize your skin. Why? Because your glands are not producing enough oil. Now, there are so many face moisturizers for dry skin type. I'm going to be attaching pictures on the screen, and I even have a detailed video on moisturizers for dry skin, both for body and for the face. I have videos on this. Now, if you have an oily skin, of course, you should already know that it should be as lightweight as possible in order to prevent clogging your pores and causing you breakouts. Okay, so there are different moisturizers for oily skin. I don't want this video to be too long because of your data. Okay, so I'm just going to be attaching some pictures, and I'm also going to be linking a video in the description box on where I've mentioned examples of moisturizers for oily skin. Now, if you have a normal skin, you can also use moisturizers for oily skin. If you have a combination skin type, your skin can tolerate for oily or for dry. You just have to try and know the one that is better for you. Then the next is your sunscreen. See, sunscreen is the GOAT. What do I mean? It is the greatest of all time. Sunscreen is that number one product that should be in your routine if you are on any anti-aging skincare routine. So, see, the main culprit, the main cause of collagen depletion on your skin is sun exposure. So you always have to make sure that your skin is well protected from the sun's ultraviolet rays. Now, there is something I so much believe in. If you have an anti-aging skincare routine, you have no business with cheap sunscreens. This is what I believe. Yes. If you have an anti-aging skincare routine, you are looking towards boosting collagen production, you have no business with cheap sunscreen. You see all these 2,000 naira sunscreen, 3,000 naira, you have no business with those kinds of sunscreens. Go for effective sunscreens. Now, this is not to say that expensive sunscreens are better or something, no, but the truth remains that most of these expensive sunscreens have better formulations. What we are looking at is the formulation. Okay, most of these sunscreens, is it the La Roche-Posay, is it the Eucerin, is it the one from Uncover, is it the one? There are a lot of sunscreens you can always get. I'm going to be attaching pictures, so please do not go for cheap sunscreens. Okay, let's say you want something cheap, let it be bio sunscreen, and make sure that you are getting the original bio sunscreen, please. Bio sunscreen. Okay, you can also try Skin Aqua as well. These are all well formulated sunscreens that you can always try. Please leave cheap sunscreens alone. So that is it for today's video. So if you have any questions you want to ask, please ask in the comment section and I'm going to reply. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.